Hi, my name is Abhimanyu, and my question is that what is the requirement of this project? The goal of this massive undertaking is to develop a brand new Parliament House that can adapt to the evolving requirements of the Indian government. The new structure will represent India's dedication to democracy, openness, and good governance. To build cutting-edge landmarks symbolic of India's progress and cultural heritage. The new Parliament building itself will be the principal focus of the project effort. Parliamentarians and their staff will be able to stay connected and easily accessible due to the integration of cutting-edge communication and technologies. The project closure. After all other phases have been completed, the project enters into the last phase, known as closing. This is a crucial stage since it varies that the project's goals and deliverables have been accomplished. At this phase, here are the most important parts, and the steps of the final phases are like deliverables verification. In this, all project deliverables are checked by the project team to ensure that they are up to the mark for the project creations and specification. During this stage, any problem or discrepancies are worked out. Now, about the final documentation, the reports, the strategies, technical specifications, and other user guides are collected and catalogued. This record keeping is vital for use in case of audits or further initiatives. Now, about the knowledge transfer. Knowledge and the skill gains during the project are passed to the appropriate parties if necessary to ensure a seamless hands-off onto ongoing operations and maintenance will be taken under this. Now, the stakeholder communication. Informing the project stakeholders and the supporters and the clients of the project success that with friendly with the environment, energy efficient will be part of rigorous verification. The conclusion is submitted, which is a key part of the closure phase. This is a great time to reflect on the project success and share any insight on one has gained. Now, talking about the validation of the quality, in order to make sure the timely delivery of the cutting-edge, functional and long-lasting parliamentary building, it is crucial that quality being validated at the outset of new parliament of the Indian project. From the beginning of the process, all the ways to the end, quality ensured check will be performed. The expert in architecture and engineering will examine the design and construction plans throughout the planning stage to make sure that they achieve the project's goals and adhere all the applicable rules and safety regulations. Further, in order to ensure long-term durability and environmental responsibility, the inclusion of the earthquake resistance characteristic that comprehensive quality control measures will be put into place during the education to keep an eye on things like building methods, supplies, technology. Before somebody moves into the project management team will need to make ensure that the snags related to the project quality are worked out properly. Furthermore, joint investigation will be carried out to ensure the adherence of the project quality. The project success will be determined and the quality of all the deliverables will be checked in the past phase through a comprehensive review plans for the building upkeep and management will make to ensure that it remains good condition, useful for upcoming 150 years. Now the transfer of the deployed project to the end users, and one of the main important step is finishing the new Indian Parliament in handing off to the finished product to the people who will be using it. By following these steps, the new Parliament building will be ready to use as soon as possible, allowing the legislature and the government employees to begin their work in it. The further ensures a smooth transition into the new Parliament building. It is an invaluable resource for the historical reference and decision making in the future for the people of the India. Carefully record keeping throughout the last file transfer will make it possible to access and use project related data for further maintenance and upgrade and expansion. This record will serve as a testimonial to the team work and dedication of everyone engaged in creating Parliament building worthy for the representing India's commitment to the democracy in the modern era.